All right, this is our first trip to Portillo's. Sorry that it's a little shaky. I'm definitely doing this by hand. I have, thank you, never eaten here. I've heard amazing things about it from all of my friends. So let's go ahead and get it cracking. All right, so the inside is incredible. Look at this energy. Right. So it sounds like he knows what he wants. I'm excited to get mine. We're gonna order from here. Okay, so I got the Chicago dog, but you need to see this action. And then the cheese fries. Dipping in that hot, melty cheese. But I also got, I know, when in Rome, right? I got the cheeseburger. This I'm excited to try. Yeah, look at that. Just beautiful. I love char grilled. So I'm gonna give it a try for you guys on camera. You guys can see my reaction. I've never had this before. The Chicago dog I have. That was fantastic. Well, let me show you the burger. Oh my God. I can't even lift the burger. Let me show you. It's just huge. Oh man. Yes. Oh. Char. Oh yeah. No. There's one thing I'm gonna eat later on. It's a cake. I can't show you all that action, Mom. And so I got all this food in my mouth, but let me show you what it looks like. Sorry, it took me a minute to unclench it. Or undo the thing. Look at that. I've been waiting for this for a long time. There's been too many videos on YouTube about this cake alone and the cake shake. I didn't get the cake shake. I feel like that's another trip worthy to try the cake shake. Now my husband, he got the sausage and pepper sandwich and he is tearing it up over there. Can I just show them what it looks like? He already dunked it in cheese. But yeah, it looks fantastic. I'm gonna let him eat that because I'm gonna come back another day for that. All right, thanks for staying tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.